we have to provide actual value in the marketplace rather than just some junk that we think is valuable, right?
Yeah. And so I want to share a really quick story with you that relates to this topic, because this is a mistake that I made with YouTube for a couple of years. And that was contributing to the noise with Me Too content based on SEO strategy that was the equivalent of shiny object syndrome. In other words, I would get caught up in the opportunity to get in front of search traffic, and then I would create a Me Too video, which essentially just added on to the noise out there. Anyone could replicate that content. And so it was low quality. I think what builds upon that and the next strategy, like the focus moving forward, is really more about creating content that is high quality in terms of its ability to connect with people. Instead of creating content for me, I want to learn about what can I do to create the best viewer experience for others.